Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the proof that the ratio of two random variables that follow a standard normal distribution and are independent is a Cauchy random variable. That is, when two random variables x and y belong to a normal distribution with mean 0 and 1, then their ratio w, that is w equal to x by y, will follow a Cauchy distribution. So given the two random variables x, y that belong to normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1, and x, y are independent, then we want to prove that w is equal to x by y belongs to a Cauchy distribution. So for a general joint distribution fx, y of x, y and a random variable w, which is the ratio of the two random variables x, y, then the PDF of this distribution w of w is given by integration minus infinity to plus infinity modulus of y fx, y of w into y, y dy. So this is the definition of the PDF of a ratio of the random variables x and y for a general joint PDF. So now by using the definition of this normal distribution, we have integral minus infinity to plus infinity modulus y integral into 1 by 2 pi into exponential of minus w square y square plus y square divided by 2 dy. This is true because fx, y of wy, y is nothing but the product of two normal distributions, since x and y are independent. So we have basically the first distribution we substitute for x equal to wy. That is why we have this w square into y square, and second one is y square. Second one is exponential of minus y square by 2. So we have this expression, and this is equal to, clearly we can see that this function inside the integral is a even function. So we can rewrite this total integral as 2 times 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to infinity y into exponential of minus y square into 1 plus w square divided by 2 dy. So this is equal to 1 by pi. Now by using the change of variables, that is y square into 1 plus w square is equal to t, and then we have 2y dy is equal to dt divided by 1 plus w square. So by using this change of variables, the limits will be from 0 to, then that is when y equal to 0, t is equal to 0, when y equal to infinity, t is equal to infinity. So the limits are 0 to infinity. And the coefficient is 1 by pi. Constant is 1 by pi, and integral 0 to infinity exponential of minus t square, exponential of minus t by 2 into y dy is basically equal to dt by 2 into 1 plus w square. So this basically becomes 1 by pi into 1 by 1 plus w square integral 0 to infinity exponential of minus t by 2 into 1 by 2 dt. So this is equal to 1 by pi into 1 by 1 plus w square into 1 by 2. And the integral of this exponential function is still exponential function of minus t by 2 into basically minus 2. So the limits are from 0 to infinity. So this is equal to 1 by pi into 1 by 1 plus omega square, w square. This is equal to 1 by pi into 1 by 1 plus w square, and this is for at t equal to infinity, this is 0, and for t equal to 0, this is 1. And since we have a minus 1 and we also have minus 0 here, so this is equal to minus of minus plus 1. Therefore w of w is equal to 1 by pi into 1 plus w square. This is nothing but a Cauchy distribution. And this is the PDF of a Cauchy distribution. Therefore the ratio of two random variables that belong to a normal distribution is a Cauchy distribution if these two random variables are independent. Thanks for watching.